Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at how to convert from base 10 to other bases. Alright, so let's look at the first example that we have. So we are to write 37 base 10 as a number in base 5. So basically we are to convert 37 base 10 to base 5. So to do that, it's very easy. The first thing we do is we draw some two lines, then we cut them like this. At the first column over here, you write the base in which you want to convert a number into, which in this case is base 5. Then in the middle over here, the number that we want to convert, which is 37 base 10, and then we write down remainder. So we'll be recording the number that remains after we do the necessary division. So I repeat my 5 over here, then I ask myself, how many times will 5 divide 37? So 37 divided by 5, so 37 will go, 5 will go into 37, it will go there 7 times, which is 35. So my remainder is 2, so I write the 2, then I write the 5 again. How many times will 5 go into 7? It will go once, which is 5, then the remainder is 2 again, and then I write 5. How many times will 5 go into the 1 over here? It is impossible, so I write 0 here, and then I bring the 1 to the end over here. So I write from bottom up as my answer. So 37 base 10 is equal to 122 base 5. Okay, so that is our answer for the first example. So let's look at the second example. So the second example, we are to express 236 as a base 8 numeral. So we are to convert 236 into base 8. Now, if you note that 236 or 236 has been given to us without a base, which means it is in base 10. So we do our normal thing. So we write base 8 over here, then our 236 here, then we write down our remainder over here. So I ask myself, how many times can 8 go into 236? It will go there 29 times, which is equivalent to 232. So the remainder is 4. So I repeat the process again. How many times will 8 go into 29? It will go there 3 times, which is 24, and so the remainder is 5. Then I ask myself, how many times will 8 go into 3? It is impossible, so I write 0 here, and then I bring the 3 to the end over here. So my answer is from bottom up. So therefore it means 236 is equal to 354 in base 8. All right, let's have a look at 2 extra examples. So I am to convert 119 base 10 to base 5 numeral. Okay, so let's proceed to look at the solution to this problem. So I do my normal lines. My remainder is here. The number I'm supposed to convert is 119, and then it is to the base 5. Okay, so I ask myself, how many times will 5 go into 109? It will go there 23 times, which is equivalent to 115, and so my remainder is 4. Now, how many times will 5 go into 23? It will go there 4 times, which is 20, and so my remainder is 3. And now, how many times will 5 go into 4? It is impossible, so I write down 0 here, and then I bring 4 to the end over here. As always, my answer is from bottom up, so therefore it means that 119 base 10 is equivalent or equal to 343 base 5. Okay, so let's have a look at one final example. So we are to express 101 base 10 to base 6. Okay, so this is very easy, and just like we've dealt with the first 3 examples, we are going to do the exact same thing to this example as well. So I draw out my lines, my remainder is here, my number is here, and then my base is here. So I ask myself, how many times will 6 go into 101? It will go there 16 times, which is 96. And so my remainder is 5. So I ask myself again, how many times will 6 go into 16? It will go there twice, which is 12. And so the remainder is 4. And the last one, how many times will 6 go into 2? It is impossible. So I write 0 here, and then I bring the 2 as the remainder over here. So therefore, my 101 or 101 base 10 is equal to 245 in base 6. And as always, if you want to convert from base 6 to base 10 back, all you have to do is to use the individual numbers to multiply the base and then add the sum of their product. So we do something like this as seen in the first example. So we number from the top 1 0 1 2, and then we solve to get our answer, which will give us 101. So thank you so much for watching. This is how we convert from base 10 to other bases. So thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.